Hi, and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Hall Kind of Girl. I'm going to have a review today, so I'm going to get right in. We are going to talk about this amazing product. This is the Hollywood, California Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Now, this is hands down such a beautiful packaging, such a wonderful product. I've been using this now for 2 days. Now, I absolutely love it. I am very sensitive. I don't know about you guys, but my skin is very, very sensitive. And with this product, not only did it moisturize my face immediately, like immediately when I started using this product, I could feel the moisturizing right away. It did not make my skin any kind of, breakout. There was no redness. There was no burning. There was no nothing. I just absolutely had to come on here and tell you guys about how amazing this product is. I just can't even believe it. I did receive this in my Boxycharm. If you guys want to go check out my Boxycharm video, I just put it out. But that is where I received it, and I definitely will be repurchasing this product. I mean, I just can't believe how good this product works, and it's such a pretty, wash, like when you bring it out. I'm going to show you guys right now. So it's like a white pearl. It's so pretty. It has like glitter in it. It's so pretty. It absolutely smells amazing. So the directions to this is just apply to your wet face. Gently massage evenly in circular motions. Rinse well and pat dry. Use daily as desired. So I'm going to go ahead and read the card that it came with. I'm so sorry about that glare. Okay, we have the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves your makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with the apple abstract, vitamin E, and green tea abstract bubbles up to a deep clean and removes impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS and SLES free. All skin types approved. Now, this is manufactured at $28, and it does say hashtag Glam Glow Waves. So I'm totally going to go and do a video on my Instagram. If you guys do not know, I have an Instagram. It is a Tiffany Shadley, and I do have a Facebook. Come follow me there, or on Instagram, the same thing. On my Facebook, it's Tiffany Nicole Marie Shadley, and on Instagram is just Tiffany Shadley. But I'm totally going to be going on Instagram and doing the hashtag Glow Glam Waves and do a little small video talking about how much I love this product. Like, I have never used a product before that I just fell in love with the way that I fell in love with this. I cannot believe how much I fell in love with this product just for the 2 days I've been using it. Okay, let's see on the back. It says something different on the box. Okay, the ultimate daily conditioning cleanser. Too gently but effectively cleanses your skin, removes makeup and daily impurities. It says basically the same thing as the other one, but it's a little bit more. Oat amino acids condition the skin, while gentle bubbles deeply cleanse and dissolve your makeup. Blended with apple abstract, vitamin E, and teoxy green tea leaf. The gentle foaming cleanser, inspired by the rainbow aura of bubbles, is a mild, soap-free, SLS and SLES-free. So it's so cool. There's actually green tea in it. So let's look at these ingredients now. This is a lot of ingredients. Let's just go with the basics that I know. We have the water, sodium, glycerin. A lot of them I cannot pronounce. Now, we do have an olefin sulfonate. I'm going to look up some of these and see what they are. So most of them I don't really know how to pronounce because they're so big. We have chloride, Let's see. Citric acid, citric acid, excuse me, is basically in everything. We have citric acid in gum, sodas, teas. So I don't think that there's nothing wrong with that. Titanium dioxide. So I'm going to look up the other ingredients and see what that is. Now let's see where this is made from. So this does say made in the USA. I love anything made in the USA, nothing against anywhere else. I'm from, United States, and I just love anything made from the USA. So we just have okay, so it's from Hollywood, California, made in the USA. Cool. So you do get, let's see how many ounces you get in this box. You do get 5 ounces. So it does say green tea leaf. Condition, deep cleanse, and face makeup removal. Yeah, this is like one of the best products I've ever used. I had to come on and do this little video to show you guys this product works amazing. I am so, so grateful that I got this GLAMGLOW Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I'm just so excited. Like even right now when I'm feeling my face feels so soft. So hands down, this is one of the best products I've used in a very long time. Just to let you guys know, if you guys are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. I put out all kinds of videos. I love doing YouTube. I love all the positivity. I love how you guys are so just wonderful to me. I really love you guys. Without you guys, I wouldn't even have a channel. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that don't say thank you, and that really makes me upset. I really do appreciate you guys. Even if you're not a subscriber and you watch my videos, I love you as well. I love you if you're new. I love you if you're still an old subscriber. I love you even if you guys are not subscribed. And just know, guys, I am not perfect, but every single day I'm trying to become a better person. And with that said, you cannot take care of anybody until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself the proper way, you can take care of others the proper way as well. And just leave me a comment below if you guys heard of this product, or if you have used this product, or if you're interested in this product. Thank you guys so much for watching.